children. Today I am going to continue the same lesson, entrepreneurship, and I am going to tell you about the promotional organization. Okay, what is promotional organization? Government at state and central level has introduced many measures to support the growth and development of entrepreneurs. A number of promoting agencies and institutions have been set up to help emerging entrepreneurs to start especially small and medium scale enterprise. These institutions support the entrepreneurs in respect of training, financing and marketing. Some such institutions are: first one, District Industrial Center DICA; for second, Small Industries Development Corporation Limited SIDC; third one, National Small Industries Corporation NSIC; fourth one, Small Scale Industry Board SSIB; fifth one, Small Industry Service Institution SISI; sixth one, Industrial Estates KIADB; seventh, Khadi and Village Industry Corporation KVIC; eighth is Technical Consultancy Organization TCO. So next I am going to go in this lesson is profile of some successful entrepreneurs. Profile. What is profile, children? Profile means about their data, about their biodata. Means about themselves, about like autobiography about of a person, about his how he came up in life, how he struggled, how he started the enterprise, all this it is. So this is about some of the famous entrepreneurs who are called as successful entrepreneurs. The first one is Dr. Pratap Reddy. The first one, Dr. Pratap Reddy. What do you know about him, children? He developed India's first hospital group. Which hospital he has started, children? This Pratap Reddy. The Apollo Hospital. The Apollo Hospital, he revolutionized India's whole health care sector. Today it has over how many? 750 corporate hospitals on modern lines throughout the country. So the Dr. Pratap Reddy is well known for the first hospital, and now he has got how many hospitals? 750 hospital, and he has started the Apollo Hospital. Okay, and the idea came to Dr. Reddy when a patient who could not make it to go to Texas in America for open heart surgery. So one patient, he was not able to go to America for the open heart surgery. That time it was not there. So for that sake, he thought that he must open his own hospital and give the requirement for the need of the people. So Dr. Reddy created a medical infrastructure in India which made medical care more affordable and accessible for everyone. So this is about Dr. Pratap Reddy. The second one is Naresh Goyal. What do you know about Naresh Goyal? Naresh Goyal is the founder and chairman of Jet Airways. So Naresh Goyal is the chairman and founder of Jet Airways. It is India's largest domestic airlines and the private sector. So after his graduation, he worked in a travel business. By 1974, Goyal started to look after sales and marketing of foreign airlines in India, and in 1917, Goyal took advantage of the open sky policy of Indian government and set up Jet Airways for operation of scheduled air service for domestic flight in India. So this is about Naresh Goyal. Third one is Narayan Murthy. Okay, what do you know about Narayan Murthy? He is one of the founder of Infosys Technology Limited in 1999. Infosys became the first Indian company to be listed on NASDAQ, that is National Association of Security Dealers Automated Quotations. So in 2017, the company had employed over 2 lakh people and had a turnover of $10 billion. So Murthy has always believed that honesty, transparency and moral integrity are the key factors for the success. So see children, what are the key factors? So that is honesty, transparency and moral integrity are the key factor for success. So this is about Narayan Murthy. The next one is Verghese Kurien. What do you know about Verghese Kurien? Verghese Kurien, he is a renowned Indian social entrepreneur and is best known as the father of the White Revolution for his million of liters of milk flow. Kurien was a leading personality in agriculture development program. Amul milk and milk product is the achievement of Kurien. He established a small-scale Anand Milk Dairy in Kaira district in Gujarat state, and now it is the largest dairy development enterprises in India. The next one is the famous personality, you all know him about it, is Dhirubhai Ambani. What do you know about? What do you know about Dhirubhai Ambani children? He was also the most enterprising Indian entrepreneur and his life journey is reminiscent of the rags to riches. Means from the rags, from the poverty he became rich. That is his story. He is remembered as one who rewrote Indian corporate history and built a truly global corporate group. Dhirubhai Ambani alias Dheeralal Hirachand Ambani's father was a school teacher. Dhirubhai Ambani started his entrepreneurial career by selling bhajan books. So he started his career by selling bhajan books because his father was a school teacher. And what he did later on children, after that to pilgrim in Mount Girnar during the weekends, he used to do the selling the bhajan books. After doing his matriculation at the age of 16, Dhirubhai moved to Aden in Africa. He worked there as a gas station attendant and as a clerk in an oil company. He returned to India in 1958 with rupees 50,000 and set up a textile trading company. His business had diversified into core specialization in petrochemical with additional interest in telecommunication, information technology, energy, power, retail, textile, infrastructure service, capital market and logistics. The Reliance company, which is started by him, is one of the important entrepreneur in the world. So this is about Dhirubhai Ambani. Next I am going to go is Azim Premji. What do you know about Azim Premji? He is the chairman of Wipro Technologies, which is one of the largest software company in India. When he was a student, Premji was summoned home due to the death of his father. During the annual general body meeting, one of the shareholders advised Premji to sell his shares. This made Premji more determined to make his company successful enterprise. Today, Wipro Technology is the largest independent research and development, that is R&D provider. The next one I am going to go is Ekta Kapoor. What do you know about Ekta Kapoor? Ekta Kapoor, she is known as the Queen of Indian television sector. She is the creative director of Balaji Telefilms and was awarded the Best Entrepreneur of the Year 2001 by Ernest Young. At 19, she ventured into TV production at a very young age. And the last one is Kiran Majumdar Shah. What do you know about Kiran Majumdar Shah? She is the chairman and managing director of Biocon Limited, the largest biotechnology company in India. She started Biocon in 1978 in a rented garage, faced with variety of problems and challenge because of biotechnology was a new field and a women entrepreneur promoted such an enterprise was a very rare. She crossed all barriers and made a Biocon a success. So this is the end of the lesson, children. See the video, read the lesson and gain more knowledge. Thank you, children, for watching the video.